Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you all what I've got in November 2020. I decided not to get anything more than 2 packages this month because I did spend quite a lot in October. So I'm gonna start off with the Peachyyyy Studios ones on my left. So I've already kind of took off the sticker. Here is my name in very fancy calligraphy, and yes. So I've been looking for smaller stickers, and I think Peachyyyy Studios have really cute small Polaroid style stickers. And can you hear this, guys? So here it is. There's a note. Let's see. Ooh. So it says, Dear Haley, thank you so much for your support. I hope you like the stickers. Feel free to leave a rate and review on Shopee and tag us on Instagram. Much love. And here are the Polko. That's such a weird word. Polko sized stickers. So this is my hand. What can I compare it to? This is a regular pen from Muji, and this is the size of the sticker. So I think you can kind of tell. So I think this is a freebie. Very cute. I think this is like their character thing. So I got 3 of each. So this one is the confetti, and I really like the colors. I don't usually journal with very bright colors like this, so I decided that I wanted to try it. And this is a more like toned down orange, yellow, and green. And this is like a pinkish, purplish, bluish confetti. Lastly is their I don't remember what this is called, but I will put it in the description, so if you're interested. And that is all from Peachyyyy Studios. So next is this one from milkxprint, and let's see how close I can get to the camera before the lighting looks funny. Whoa, okay. I honestly do not remember what I've got. I need to figure out how to get this thing off. Okay, so I got everything out, I think. So I'm gonna just show you guys their thank you card first. So it says thank you Haley at the back. So you guys can scan this. I'm not too sure where it leads you to. I think it might be their Shopee account or their Instagram account. So first of all, the 2021 with milky sticker. So I bought 2 for myself. This one is the sloth one. This is the 2021 one. And the next thing on the receipt is this milky sushi sticker sheet. So this is A6 sized. So next on the receipt is the stick with milky notes plus to-do list, which I'm gonna slowly take out from this pack because it's so stuck together. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I got. So on this list over here, stick with milky notes. So this is like an orange. Actually, I'm not too sure if this is an orange. So the next design is this to-do list, and I'm gonna slowly, so it's just to-do list, very self-explanatory. So this is the 2021 with milky memo pad. So I decided to get 2 sets because they're just way too cute. So this one is New Year's Same Dreams, and this is the sticker that I got here. So next on the list is this little turtle plushie memo mix. Okay, so this one is the little turtle plushie. So there are 5 plushies. And this is the other one with a turtle on Milky's head and 1, 2, 3 up there. So yes, that is the little turtle plushie. However, there seems to be more things that they sent me, so I'm gonna open this. So there are just 2. This is an August calendar from their thing, and this is the this is so small. Oh, okay, wait. Comparison tag. That's tiny. I'm confused. This is so nice of them to send me like things that they claim are not perfect, but to me, because I have no standards. So the other freebie that I got is this button. I'm sure there's a name for this, I just don't know what it is. So this is the Innocent Milky, and I think this is like fan merch of Among Us. This is so shiny, look at that. I decided to switch off the light so you guys can show you, but this is how it looks like. Size comparison, there you go. This is my Muji pen. That's super dainty and super cute. Ooh, it's out of focus. I know I bought like most of this stuff, but it feels like they gave me a lot of free stuff. And I feel like super overwhelmed. So I'd like to say thank you to both milkxprint as well as peachyyystudios. Definitely look into if you're interested in supporting local small businesses. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and do let me know if you prefer videos where I'm talking like this or if you prefer silent videos. I'd love to know what you guys think. So yeah, thank you guys, bye!